Hi everyone, Ben here. With silver breaking out to new highs on Friday, I thought it was a good time to talk about a quality junior exploration stock called Blackrock Silver and their very high grade silver deposit located in the United States. So we'll take a look at the silver price, very strong performance here over the last couple of months. And you can see here we broke out on Friday above that 37.29 high. So market looking strong here, breakout in silver. Prices could keep going much higher from here as well. And so we'll take a look at Blackrock Silver and their flagship project called Tunapa West, located again in Nevada. They do have a resource estimate on the project. It's 100 million ounces of silver equivalent at a very high grade of 492 grams per ton. And the deposit is unique in that it's 50% gold and 50% silver. So for investors that are looking for a pure play junior precious metals, BlackRock Silver would be sort of a go-to name for them. And investors usually give a higher valuation for these types of stocks that have a higher precious metals content as opposed to a deposit that's maybe 50% precious metals and then 50% base metals. And that deposit is also open for expansion. And the deposit is located on private land in Nevada. So it's usually a lot easier to permit than state land. Usually the hardest one to permit is federal land. The company does have a preliminary economic assessment out with very robust economics. 8.6 million silver equivalent ounces produced annually at 1196 all-in sustaining costs. So that's one of the lowest all-in sustaining costs for a PEA of a silver junior that I've ever seen. And the after-tax IRR is very strong at 39.2%. So excellent number there. Usually investors want to see around 20, 25% IRR. This one is pushing 40. After-tax NPV, 326 million, and initial capex very low at $178 million. So very high margin project, very low initial capex as well. And in a tough market like we're in now, investors are going to look at those high grade, high IRR, low capex as a lower risk stock compared to higher capex stocks. So their future plans this year, they currently are drilling 35,000 meters, and that's to convert some of their inferred ounces to measured and indicated ounces, as well as expand the resource. So we're going to get a resource update in Q3 of 2025. That's going to be more the conversion part of the drilling program. And in Q1 2026, another update on the resource, and that's going to be more the expansionary part of the drilling program. And they're also going to update their PEA in Q1 of 2026. So lots of news flow coming out of this very strong company, and it's going to keep investors' attention on Blackrock Silver. So I'll look at the share price performance here. It's done very well. Here you can see over the last couple of months, very strong move up. We're trading right now 182 million market cap. Valuation wise, that's about $1.82 per ounce of silver equivalent in the ground. And they do have peer leading grade and economics. Also, that great jurisdiction makes them a very likely takeout target for maybe an intermediary producer. The PEA and resource numbers are only going to get better with this stock. And also, legendary investor Eric Sprott is a shareholder in this company. So, giving you a little bit of confidence that having that big investor name in there as well. So, very strong company, very strong performer, still undervalued here at $182 million market cap. So take a look at Blackrock Silver. I think silver will be a very strong market this year and maybe next year as well. So if you're interested in a silver junior, take a look at Blackrock Silver. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Not financial advice. Please do your own research, and we'll see you in the next one.